about Bushcraft, you make learning fun.
Kids, shut up. That adds evidence to a little sleep debt will do ya. Back to our regularly scheduled intro. If at all possible, anything going into your backpack should have more than one use. Signal mirrors signal. They hang. And they shave. Straps strop. And pillows sock. These toggled bedroll straps not only secure your bedroll to your pack, they also keep it nice and rolled up when independent from the pack and offer a support handle on the go. If you're interested in making one of these, they're simple enough, but you can check the link up in the corner for more details. Simple bowline on one end, length of paracord, wooden toggle with a hole in the middle, paracord ran through, stopper knot on one end. When we initially illustrated the use of these guys as a pack hanger, back in that video linked up in the corner, you're limited to basically just passing your toggle through. And in the instance, like with this pack with a more slippery non-canvas handle, you just have to wrap it around to lock it into place. Though as you can see, it limits the height of the bag to the length of the paracord. A more traditional way to adjust for this would be by placing a marlin spike hitch on your line to whatever height you wished. It'd be called a marlin spike hitch because generally a marlin spike would be used. In this instance, we're just going to use a stick. You're going to take your line, twist it so that you've got a bite. You're then going to reach through that bite or loop in your line and make another bite. Pull that bite through, take your stick, slide it through. Grab handle, stick goes through, hangs at your appropriated height. In order to illustrate the workaround for the marlin spike hitch, we're going to switch back to our canvas bag. In doing this, you'll want to brace your pack on your knee against the tree, grab your toggle, pass it through the handle on your pack, pull the cord out and pass it over top of the toggle and back through the handle. Now with your working end that you've passed through your handle pressure weighted from the weight of the pack, in order to raise the pack, grab your working end, take a little bit of the weight off the toggle and simply pull the working end up to adjust the height. In order to lower, you'll want to take some of that weight off again by lifting the handle, grab the toggle, pull it through and down to your desired height. There you go. If you hadn't noticed, we've also added one or two other uses for these toggle guys. So if you haven't made one already, we've also included the link in the lower corner so you don't have to go back through the video and find it. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.